Okay, now to continue on, we have our next condition, and that's going to be our function for our collision detection. And with that, we need an event, and with this event, it's going to be that mouse event again. We're going to set void because we are not going to return anything back from this area. Come down a couple of lines, set up my closing curly brace, and the first thing we're going to do in here is check our count. So if my count is greater than 0, what do I want to do? I'm going to check to see if my gun target, so our low target, does a hit test object. So we're just checking the target to see if it's going to hit our actual targets. Target 1 dot hotspot. Remember, that is our little area inside our targets that we had set up and created a movie clip called hotspot. So if it is hitting that, what do we want to do? I want my target 1 dot y to equal 780, which again was its starting point. I want to add to the score, so score plus equal 10, and that's how many points we're going to add to our score. And then my target timer is going to equal the count. So we will start moving on to the next target. Else, basically, I'm just going to come down here and copy this, go right after the else and paste it in, and change it to my hotspot number 2. For my target 2, it's going back to that same spot. Again, for my target 3 and my target 4. One more for my target 5, and then we're going to start changing these. So this is target 5, and all those are dealing with the y-axis. Now on the next one, we're dealing with the target 6, and with this we're going to change what happens inside of here. So if this happens, I want to set up another condition. So if my switch on the first one is equal to true, what do I want to do? I want to tell my target 6 dot x to equal 860. So basically what it's saying, it's on the left hand side of the stage, it's moving over to the right hand side of the stage. So if I hit it, I want it to end up on the right hand side of the stage. Else, it's moving from right to left, so I want my target 6 dot x to equal my negative 70. So that means it's moved over to the other side of the stage. So now with that, we can go through and let's go ahead and copy from this if all the way down to the else and set up for the next one. And that would be my target 7. That would be my switch number 2. Okay. And I'm basically going to reverse these. So I got negative 70 at the beginning and 860 on the other side. It depends on which side of the stage we are starting from. So which side of the areas do we need to actually, if our switch is equal to true. Okay, hopefully this is making sense as we're going along. And this is going to be my target number 7, not my target number 6. Let's come down. Next one is going to be our target number 8, or at least my target number 8, my switch number 3 for target 8. And again, target 8 is over on the right hand side, so it's going to start moving the opposite way. Now on the rest of these, basically everything's on the other side of the stage. So let me go ahead and copy number 7. This will be my target 9. It was on the left hand side of the stage. This would be switch number 4, target number 9. Else my target number 10, which is going to be my switch number 5. Again, target 10, target 10. And my last one out here, and this is going to be my ship. So basically we can just change this to ship. That's going to be my switch number 6. Change this to ship. And let's go ahead and change this to ship. Now see, right now we have a little error in here. I can get rid of that else. On each one of these I need a space in between the else if. Okay, that looks good. So, and let's see. Also, what we need to do inside of here is with our targets, what else do we want to do inside of here? I want to take my score again to plus equal 10, or you could even increase that number. Now I want my target timer to equal its count. So I'm going to copy these lines, scroll down here a little bit, and paste them right after these if statements. That way everything will be nice and neat. Everything will be ready to go. Okay, so now I can close both of these out, and in our last area what we have is our reset game button, and then we're going to start checking to make sure that we have all of our script errors taken care of. So we'll see you in the next video.